Today, we reflect on the best teachings that drive us to embark on our journey in bodybuilding. Firstly, I emphasize the importance of not giving up, reiterating this lesson 3 times like a mantra. This reminds us of the famous rule from Fight Club: don't talk about Fight Club. However, here, the secret is to not give up, no matter what. Allow me to share a motivational story from the world of bodybuilding that exemplifies this teaching. I met an individual named Marcos, who entered the gym with a clear goal: to transform his body. He faced numerous difficulties along his path, from lack of time to financial challenges. However, his determination was unwavering. He spent hours studying nutrition, training, and rest, constantly seeking to improve his knowledge. Despite the adversities, Marcos never gave up. He saw each obstacle as an opportunity for growth and learning. On the path toward our goals, the idea of merit reveals itself as a guiding light. It is the compass that directs us, reminding us that every step taken must be earned through constant and tireless effort. When we aspire to achieve results, we cannot settle for mere expectation of success. We must face the challenge with determination and dedication, aware that merit is not granted freely. It is earned through sweat, tears, and daily commitment. It is essential to understand the difference between real effort and our perception of it. Often, we deceive ourselves into thinking that we are giving our all when there is still room for more. This is where self-assessment becomes crucial. We must look within ourselves and question if we are truly giving our best. It is easy to fall into the trap of complacency, contenting ourselves with superficial effort that does not truly reflect our potential. But we must remember that merit is not based on mediocrity. It arises from excellence, from the relentless pursuit of improvement, and from unwavering commitment to our goals. Do not be deceived by false illusions of effort. If you want to achieve your dreams, earn it. Face every challenge with determination and courage, for it is your effort that will determine your merit. I emphasize the importance of routine compatibility. If we want results, we need to align our daily choices with our fitness goals. Compromising our sleep, diet, and social habits and expecting peak performance in our workouts is futile. Continuing, I highlight perseverance. It is not just about persisting but also about being obstinate and insistent in our goals. Although the word perseverance may sound old-fashioned, it encapsulates the strength required to achieve our dreams. Do not give up, adjust your routines, and persevere. These are the secrets I share with you, reminding us that success in bodybuilding, as in life, requires commitment, resilience, and unwavering determination.